Hey y'all, so it is currently 12:22 on a Tuesday school night, and I am filming a video for my main channel where I stay up and pull an all-nighter on a school night. And today I was like, hey, I have so much stuff that I have been sent and I just want to show you guys everything. There's a few things that I'm probably going to show on my main channel as well, but I wanted to show you guys a ton of stuff that companies have sent me recently. Y'all love hauls and I love hauls, but I don't like posting them as much on my main channel because they don't do as well, and you guys don't like to see them because obviously if they're not doing as well as my other videos, then you don't like to see them. So I figured putting it on my vlog channel is a perfect place to put it. So this is basically a makeup and skincare and just a few other extra things haul. All of this was sent to me for free, so this is all PR and stuff like that. But yeah, we're gonna hop right into it. So first I'm gonna start with ColourPop. They send me a ton of new goodies every single month, and they sent this to me for April. It's currently, well, it's like 12 o'clock at night, so it's now, now it's May 1st, but it was April like 15 minutes ago. So they sent me a bunch of their spring collection, which the box is so pretty and yellow. Obviously we know that's my favorite color. So in this package, it just came with this big old pack of loose pigments. This comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 different loose pigments. Was a really bad idea. I did not know that they were not secured in there, but they just sent me a ton of gorgeous loose pigments. These are so pretty, and I can't wait to play around with them. I've never tried ColourPop loose pigments before, but I can just tell you that they're going to be good because they do everything amazing when it comes to shadows. By the way, if you're ever buying anything off colourpop.com, you can use my code 5Caiti to save $5 off, and that way you can get some more goodies for less money. This isn't an affiliate code, it's literally just a code to save y'all money, so hop on that. So then I played around with a ton of stuff that they gave me in this package, and in here it just came with a bunch of loose stuff, and I've put some stuff away, so this isn't everything that they sent me, but this is a little bit of it. So in here they sent me a glitterly obsessed body glitter, and mine's in the shade Puffin, which is the super pretty golden shade. This is what it looks like. It's really pretty, and it's just a body glitter that you can put on your face or your hands or anywhere. A lot of people wore these to Coachella. Glitters in general are super popular for festival season, so that might be a good purchase for you. They also sent me one of their Super Shock Cheek highlights, and this is in the shade Thimble, which I love. Their Super Shock Cheek highlights, the formula is amazing, and this color looks like it will match my skin, so that's exciting. They sent me their Super Shock eyeshadow in the shade Here We Go Again, which is a super pretty golden glitter. These are very nice. They're Super Shock shallows. And then they sent me their Jelly Much eyeshadow, and this one's called Photosynthesis. It's also like a goldeny yellow, and I used this in one of my recent Instagram looks where I did like an eyeshadow look on my makeup Instagram account. The Jelly Much eyeshadows are so cool. I'll show you guys how they perform. So this is what it looks like, and on the inside it's literally jelly eyeshadow. This is what they look like. They are so pigmented and so blinding. They sent me this Jelly Much eyeshadow already in a previous ColourPop package, so I already have another one of them, but this is just another one that they sent me, and these are so pigmented. I played around with a bunch of them, but I did use this on one of my Instagram looks already. If you guys don't know, I have a makeup Instagram account and I post so much on there. I at least try to. I post a lot of really fun colorful eyeshadow looks. Like, look, this stains my hand and it like won't come off. It's like creamy, but then when you put on your eyelid, it's powder. It's really weird. Then they also sent me their ColourPop BFF volumizing mascara, and they sent me the yellow one, which they know me so well. Yellow's my favorite color, and I actually use this for Instagram eye look too. This one's in the shade Yellow Goodbyes. I have their pink one and their black mascara of this as well, but I love the yellow. I actually put this on the back of my hands and took a tiny little pointed liner brush and like lined my cut crease with it because I didn't have a yellow eyeliner, and it worked so good. Honestly, their BFF mascaras are just really good for a volume in general, but they also work because they have a ton of different colors for liner. Speaking of liner, they sent me their liquid BFF liner in the shade Numero Uno, which is just a black felt tip liner, and I used this as well. This felt tip liner is so good. It's very pointy, it's very black, and it gets the job done perfectly. And then they sent me two of their So Juicy lip glosses, which are new, and I love this. This is probably my favorite one. This is the So Juicy lip gloss in the shade. This one's called Intersection, and it's the whole thing is like your lips but bigger. So basically they have like a minty tingly feeling. They don't burn, but they are like minty. They're super shiny and they make your lips look so big, and the glosses are sticky but they stay on really well, so they're not too sticky. I don't know, I love this gloss. It's become one of my favorites, and I know I reach for it all the time. But they also sent me their So Juicy lip gloss in the shade All Talk. I've not used this one yet. I don't even think I've opened it. This is a really pretty like peachy mauve kind of rosy color, but I really love the golden one because it goes with everything. It just makes your lips like wet and plump and juicy. Your lips but bigger is like the perfect slogan. And then the last thing that they sent me was their double entree palette, and I've not played with this around yet. It's super pretty, very neutral tones. I'm gonna swatch a few. I'm gonna swatch this brown, and ColourPop shadows don't play. They just are so amazing for the price that they are offered at, and I highly recommend you check them out if you were looking for affordable shadows. They're perfect, and you get a ton of bang for your buck. So I'm very excited to play out with all this new makeup. I have tried a bunch of it, but I haven't tried all of it, and so that's very exciting. Again, if you're ever purchasing anything off ColourPop, use my code to save $5 off. So then Juno & Co sent me a package, and I haven't opened this yet, but I do know what's inside of it. Juno & Co sends me PR all the time. I love their PR team. They're so sweet, and they recently just launched their Cloud Sponge. We fused together a groundbreaking latex-free formula of polymers and whipped them into an airy mixture. The result's a super soft, stain-resistant sponge material designed to provide lightweight, even application with effortless transfer and zero caking. So yeah, this is their whole thing. It's like the Cloud Sponge. I want to try this. This is launching this Friday when I'm filming this. So I'm currently filming this May 1st. So this is launching May 3rd, and this is what it looks like. I already got eyeshadow on it for my swatch. I've not got to try it out yet, but it looks really amazing. It's super soft. Mine's dirty already because of my fingers have eyeshadow all over them. But I love their velvet sponges. They're amazing. So then there's this YouTuber named Kelly Casper, and she posts YouTube videos. She's around my age, and she lives in New York, and I've been subscribed to her channel since she had 2,000 subscribers, and she just hit like 5,000. She's so underrated. She's probably one of the most underrated makeup artists that I've ever seen that posts YouTube videos, and she came out with a brand. So she's a super small indie brand, just launched her first ever products, which are eyelashes. So her company is called Shop Ghost Beauty. Her whole thing is Ghost Beauty, and their Instagram handle is Shop Ghost Beauty, and she reached out to me and she sent me 2 pairs of her eyelashes, and I have used these lashes before and I really like them. So she has 3 styles. She has honey, which are these are honey, very wispy, big lashes. Kelly does such nice eyeshadow, like that's her signature, and her skin is flawless, and then she always puts on a big lash, and so she came out with her own eyelashes. This is the other kind called Pisces. This is what it looks like, and then she has a 3rd one called Kilani. I only got these 2, but I have used Pisces before, and I used them in my recent eye look on my Instagram account. They apply beautifully. They're made with 100% real mink hairs, and they're gorgeous. They're really nice. Also, the packaging is so cute, like the whole ghost thing, and it's glittery. Like I said, their Instagram is Shop Ghost Beauty, so definitely go check them out. The only thing I will say about the eyelashes is, since they are 100% real mink hair, if you tug them too hard, they will fall out. Like lashes will fall out individually, but she did say that in her review, so I totally understand. If y'all want to check this company out anywhere, check out Kelly. Here's her little business card right here. These are the 3 style of lashes. If you can see this right here, you can use code Caiti to get 10% off your order. If you use code Caiti, you can save 10% off your order, and these are bomb lashes. So underrated. I'm genuinely talking about these because I love them a lot. So yeah, Kelly's super sweet. The lashes are amazing, and use code Caiti if you want to save 10%. So then I got a little letter to my P.O. box. A lot of people don't know, but I do have a P.O. box. So this letter was sent to me from Madison. Thank you so much for sending this to me. My P.O. box is always in the description box of all my videos on my main channel and on this vlog channel. So if you ever want to send me a letter or fan art or anything, I have a fan art wall right there. Send me some stuff so I can hang it up on there, y'all. Anytime you guys send me like a drawing of me or write my name pretty, or like Catesters or Katie's Corner or anything, I hang it up on that wall, and I really want to cover it. So if you ever want to send me anything, do that. Don't feel pressure to send me anything. You don't have to. I'm just saying, super cool and super fun and super fresh, and you'll be in my room on my wall. So if you guys don't know, I work with Novashine a lot, and this is a teeth whitening company, and they make bomb teeth whitener. They are an LED light whitening company, and they keep me stocked on all their stuff. I've been using their products for months now. I'm gonna show you guys this because they sent me an entire new set, but basically it comes with 2 teeth whitening gels, and this is what they look like. You apply this on your UV light, and then you have a UV light, and this UV light plugs into your phone, and then you put the gel on top of the UV light and you let it sit in your mouth for 10 minutes, and your teeth become so white. Like, my teeth are so nice. Like, they're obviously not like the whitest in the whole wide world, but they are pretty white, like pretty white. People always ask me what I do. I usually use my novashine like once or twice a week, and I put it in my mouth for 10 or 15 minutes, and my teeth are so white. I don't have a coupon code for you guys with this, but I'm constantly like promoting them and talking about them on my Instagram, and that's because I truly love the product and it does work. I've tried crest strips, I've tried like whitening strips, and that doesn't work, but this does, and I'm proud to say that I love this, and it's 100% worth it. This is the Mac Daddy of all PR boxes like ever. So you may look at that box and be like, well, Katie, what is that? Basically, I got an email because I do take business emails all the time, and this mom was emailing me about her daughter's company. And since I'm a young influencer teenager, whenever a small company wants to reach out to me about anything, I always like to give it a chance and give it a shot because I want to support people who are small as well. And this mom was like, my daughter has a slime shop and she loves you and wants to send you slime for a video. And I was like, you know what? I am so down. Like, normally I wouldn't take slime from any company, but since it was like a cute little girl and her mom, I was like, I am so down. Send me all your slime in the whole wide world. So they're like, okay, we're gonna send you a bunch of slimes. And I get this package and it is huge. This package is gigantic. And when I get it, I am so confused. Why is it so heavy? And I get this note. It says, Dear Caitlin, thank you so much for reviewing our slime shop. We are so thankful. From Rosalie, Naomi, and Sandra. So if you want to check out any of their stuff, this is all their information. They have an Etsy where they sell their slimes and a YouTube channel which is called Sandra Royal Beauties. That's what it is. Like, not only did they send me slime, they sent me like 6 different kinds of slimes. They sent me these purses. Like, they sent me these purses, and in these purses was slimes, but I took them out. They're glittery and bedazzled and amazing and everything. And like, this was filled with slimes, and look how cute it is. They sent me 2 purses. They sent me that one, and then they also sent me this one. They do such a cute job with their packaging. Everything is individually wrapped. Like, look at this, their slimes all wrapped up. So first I'm going to show you guys these 3 slimes that they sent me. These are like my favorite ones. This is the pink Dance of the Unicorns butter slime, and it is everything. Like, I used to be a slimer myself, no need to flex, but these are so amazing, like way better than my slimes ever were. My camera just stopped recording and I have no clue where it stopped recording, but I just talked about this slime. Hopefully I picked it up. Oh my gosh. Then they also sent me this super cute blue one. It's called Candyland, and it's also like a butter slime, and in this one you have a little surprise. Look, there's a candy in it because it's Candyland. This one doesn't have a name, but it is probably my favorite one out of all of them. It is so nice and sticky and jelly and feels crazy in your hands. This is like a gooey, ooey, yucky, but still really good and fun and fresh slime. I love this one because it feels like jelly and super like ooey gooey, but those feel like butter slimes, so I'm a slimer now. He also sent me these super cute little containers. There's nothing in them, but that's just like so cute. And in all the packages was a ton of stuff, like little bracelets like this, necklaces, charms. And then they sent me 3 slimes wrapped in this kind of packaging, but my brother stole one. This one is purple and it's super pretty. It's like that jelly one, but there's glitter everywhere. Like, not only do they give you slime, they tell you the price. This one's called Katie's Crew. Oh, they named it after me. This slime shop is really going off. This one is called Goddess of Love, and it's $5 for 8 ounces. It's purple and super glittery as well. This one is so fun though. Look, it has balls in it. Please go show your love and support to this slime company. Like I said, it is called, if you go on Etsy, it's called True Love's Kiss 01, and if you go on YouTube, it's Sandra's Royal Beauty. So definitely go check them out. They just put so much time and care into their package, and I can tell that they genuinely care about their customers. So that is the end of this haul. I really hope you guys enjoyed seeing all of the stuff that I've acquired recently, all the stuff that companies have kindly sent to me. The ColourPop stuff, everything, just all the small brands. Thank you for sending it to me, and any of the items that I did have coupon codes for, all of it will be linked down in the description box. Also, please don't forget to hit that big red subscribe button down below to turn on your hashtag post notifications to get notified every time I post a new video. Follow all my socials, they're down below. With that being said, I'll see you guys on my next vlog. I know this isn't a vlog, but it's a haul, and I hope you enjoyed it anyway. Peace in the Middle East!